Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face in a while, it's because I haven't made a video. For all you new people out there, my name is Becca. I usually do like hair videos, some keto stuff. I don't know, this channel's kind of all over the place. But today we're going to be dyeing my hair a different color. I'm going to take this purpley metallic color to a hopefully forest green color. That's the intention. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but if you like videos like this, then hit that like button, subscribe, and let's just jump into this video right away because this intro is getting super long. I went to Ricky's and I picked up a few things. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is stripping this color out of my hair. This is a box dye. It's the L'Oreal like mauve purple situation. I've been doing this purple thing for like a couple months now and I'm kind of over it. I haven't really dove into like the blues and the greens, so we're gonna try that. I picked up this L'Oreal color remover, so I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna strip my color, trying to get it to the blonde that's hopefully underneath here. And then I picked up this Adore Clover and the Emerald. So I'm going to combine these two to hopefully make a blue, teal, green color. I also picked up some bleach just in case this color remover doesn't pick up, but I really don't want to bleach my hair just because if you look at my ends, they are pretty well done, I would say. Pretty well done. So I'm going to first remove the color from this hair, then I'm going to mix up these two colors and I'm going to take you along on the process. Okay, so the first step is putting on a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty. I'm going to put this in this little squirt bottle. The directions say shake the powder into a non-metallic bowl or plastic bottle applicator. Mix the contents with warm water. So I'm gonna do that, 2 fluid ounces in here, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back with the mixture in here. This has 2 fluid ounces of water and warm water and the entire packet of this. It says to start with the darkest parts. This is like all going over my hair, so I'm not really concerned. Plus I have such little hair that it's fine. Here we go. I'm not wearing gloves either, so I don't know how that's gonna be, but it doesn't say anything about gloves, so mix that all up in here. I really need to get like the dark sides of my hair because it's just my grow out, so it's not gonna do anything to it, but just make sure that it's super saturated in there. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this processing cap on. You can see that it's already starting to like strip the color, so that's good, but I'm gonna put it underneath here because it will basically use my head as heat and it will process faster. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes and then I'll come back to show you guys the final result of this color remover. So we'll see if it works. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what this looks like. This is after I wash it. I have not shampooed it yet. I'm actually gonna use, this is really gross that my bottle looks like this, but I'm gonna use the Shimmer Lights shampoo to hopefully like tone out this orange hair. So like prior to the mauve purple I had, I actually used overtone rose gold, so I think that's like what's coming through here, but this looks like a hot mess. So hopefully it will remove it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo. I'm gonna leave this in for 10 minutes. I hope it takes it all out because I don't want to bleach my hair or I don't want to tone it, so we'll see what happens, but it looks bright ass orange. Okay, so I am back from washing my hair with the purple shampoo. I think it actually toned it down quite a bit. It still looks really orange on camera, but it's actually more like pinkish yellow. I don't know. We're gonna go with this color because I really don't want to bleach wash it because I want to keep my roots, and I just, because it's already like ombre, if you will. So I'm going to take this bowl and I'm going to take the Emerald 168 and I'm gonna put more of that in. It's probably like half the bottle. Also, I completely forgot gloves, so that's great. And then this is the Clover 165. I'm just going to add that. I would say it's probably 2 parts. So 2 parts Emerald, 1 part Clover. You know, we're eyeballing it. And I'm going to mix it up in my bowl. And this is what it kind of looks like. It's really, really runny. Let's try this out. Okay. So I'm gonna actually take another mirror because I'm blind. You have to make sure that you like are fully saturating, and this is on towel dry hair because they say that's like the best saturation for this product. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, fully saturated. I'm going to put a processing cap on and leave this on for probably like 12 minutes because it's probably been in my hair for like 15 already, so great. Hey guys, so this is the final hair look. I absolutely love it. It is definitely showing up a little bit more blue on here than it is in person. In person, it's super vibrant. When I walk outside, it is super, super green, and I absolutely love it. This is exactly what I wanted to accomplish. Just keep in mind when you are actually washing your hair, it will bleed a lot, like a lot. I shampooed it twice and deep conditioned it, and then I styled it as normal, like how I normally style it. If you guys want to see a styling video, it is definitely a little bit different, but I don't wash my hair for like 4 days, so it works for me. If you guys like this video, then please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comments what colors you guys are into, what colors I should do next. I'm very open to any suggestions, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.